Hello YouTube, this is How To Productions 100. Today's tutorial is how to make a logo picture, YouTube picture like VvCompHelp. So first you just want to go to Adobe Fireworks CS4 or CS3 is good. So you want to press create new Fireworks document PNG. Name it as 80/80. Make it transparent. Okay. You just want to hold Ctrl and plus by delete or the backspace. Okay, you just want to make it that. Now you just want to make an ellipse tool. Like there, you can just hold the left and press ellipse. Now I'm just gonna do this. First, just make it like this. What it looks like. What you want. There you go. Want to put this as black, and come here in the bottom. Name it and put it 75 so that it's the exact circle. There you go. Now you have the circle. You just want to get your pointer tool and try to put it in the middle. There. Now what you want to do is put this as white. Make it 4. Just like that. Now you want to go to what is it called? Filters. Drop shadow. Okay, I have this. So 565 1. You want to put this. Oops. Press this I. Put this as 565 1 1. 303, of course. Put this right here. The triangle angle is 303, 303. There you go. Now you just want to get your text. Put it on. This is called HTTP. Now. There we go. I just want to put it out because they're my brothers. So you just want to come here, look for the preview. That's how it's gonna look like. But you just want to press Ctrl and minus, and then press preview. Now you have it like that. I want to just use 2 up because that's better. Yeah. Okay. Now here you just so
you wish me.
4. Let's just put this as.
Is it 1?
2.
Yeah, I know it's
2.
1.
20. There you go. So now you just want to come here, filters, press that circle, make sure, add a filter, put it as inner shadow. Now you want to change this to,
Wait, not yet, no more.
26 and 65. Inner shadow, 26, 26, 65.
Now stand up. You ready, doggy?
Circle again.
Okay, now like that. Move like that. Now
1.
go.
And same thing,
Go,
303.
Go, go.
So you have that. Now I just want to come here in the shadow.
Okay, go.
Yep. 26. Okay, now you just want to put here and okay, wait for a while. I want to try. Okay, now I got it. You have to change this to white. Like, oops. Change this back to black. Get this and change it to white. Now, oh here. Oops, black. Inner shadow. Make this, I think, white. Nope, black. I'm getting messed up now. Press that. Oh, here, white. There you go. Now you have it. Make it. How do you want it? I'm gonna do it 23.
So tired.
Now you just want to get the transparent and try to make it like oops.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Okay. Yep. So yep. I think that's it. Now you just want to CTRL minus. Now you see here in the preview, this is how it's gonna look like. So we're here. Now it looks like the same. Transparent. We need transparent because you know the watermark. The watermark is the one. So yep. Now you just to save it, you want to just put File, Save As, and let's just save file type as JPEG. I'm gonna call this YouTube example. There you go. Save it. You can go to your I'm uploading videos. You can go to your How to Production and account and then change it. Now let's do it on Camtasia. So there, I have to still finish editing it. Okay, now in Camtasia Studio, I am done. This thing editing it. So you just want to press Produce Video As. Go to custom add edit preset new. So let's call it new YouTube HD MP4 MOV. Next, you have to make it new.
Stop! Get away!
1280 by
Get away!
720. Next, you just want to include watermark options. Go here with a folder, find your folder. So mine was called YouTube example. There you go, and open it. So yep, this is the other one I made. Land this logo for YouTube because I don't want to put my brother's one. There you go. Make it like that. Use transparent color. So right here it's transparent. There you go.
Don't eat.
Opacity should. You just want to make it like that. What is it? Okay. Now. Okay. Finished. And close. Next. Call this How to Make It Installer. Okay, and yep, that's done. You're finished. So mine is laggy now, and yep, I'll pause it and bye. And one thing, I want to thank this person. What is his name? Let me just wait. I'll pause it again. I want to thank VV Tutorials Tech VV. His link will be in the description. He helped me do this video. Watch his video. I'll post a video if you didn't understand this, so you can watch his video. And yep, bye. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye. Peace.